Okay, my new project is to replace the radio. Okay, the radio itself is fine. It's just that, to be honest with you, I need a USB jack and Bluetooth, and this just doesn't have it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, in order to do this, I need to take this out first. There are two little switches on top that requires a very thin screwdriver. Once you tap it, what you need to do also is you need to just slide a piece of metal in to make sure that you could actually pry this out. Okay, you don't want to damage this, so you just got to do it lightly. All right, then I'll show you how to. Okay, so now that it's out, I need to take out these two screws, and this whole entire thing will come right out. So just to prove the point, these are the two tabs that are sitting on top that I was trying to pry into to get out. All right, folks, there's two connections. There's that connection, which is everything, and this connection. All right, for this one, it is just this little guy right here. Pulling onto this, the whole thing comes right out. For this one, it actually just locks into place, and then it unlocks to remove, okay? Here's what I have. I got myself a Pioneer, all right? Nothing special, USB with Bluetooth, and it has a connection in the back. With it, I have the actual wiring that comes with it. But then I also bought this adapter as well. So this adapter is called, let me take a quick look. It's the VB or VW03B, so it's Volkswagen and BMW as well. Okay, so what I can do is I can connect this to this, and then this to the radio itself. I also have a few other odds and ends as well. So I've got the new faceplate that goes in because it doesn't have the same shape as the other one. All right, so let's test this out. Okay, it's not perfect. I got the thing in, right? The panel in. I got this in. The radio is kind of hitting the bottom a little bit, so I have to move it around. But as you can see, if I were to do source, BT, radio, USB, it's reading my USB. There it is. And I just need to put everything back together.